In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event on your Wix website. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the skills you need to set up and customize events with ease. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you want to navigate to your Wix account. So go ahead and log in if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your website. Now take a moment to locate the Add button, which is represented by a plus sign. Click on that, and it will open up a variety of options for different elements you can add to your site. Next, you want to scroll or look for the option that says Event. Once you've found it, hover over the Event option and then give it a click. This is where you'll find a list of features you can incorporate related to events. As you might expect, the next step is to add this feature to your site. So go ahead and click on Add. After clicking, you'll be directed back to the Events section of your Wix editor. Here, Wix offers a great selection of pre-made events, which you can use to save time. You'll likely notice these templates are designed to be user-friendly and can suit a variety of event types, whether it's a concert, a meeting, or perhaps a community gathering. What's great about these pre-made events is that they are not just placeholders. They're fully customizable. You have the flexibility to tweak them according to your specific needs and preferences. Take a few moments here to browse through the options available. This will give you a sense of what's possible and which template might be the best fit for your particular event. Pick a starting point that resonates most with the theme or the style that you're aiming for. Once you've zeroed in on a template that looks right, you can dive into the exciting part, modifying it to make it truly your own. This is where you can adjust all sorts of elements like the text, images, event dates, and times. You can also customize the color scheme to better match your overall website design or branding. This gives you a cohesive look that aligns with your site's aesthetics. And there you have it, the basics of setting up an event on Wix. Remember, the key is to make your event look as inviting and engaging as possible. Thanks to Wix's intuitive platform, creating events is not only straightforward but also creatively fulfilling. Now it's time for you to explore these features and really make your event stand out. Thank you for watching, and happy event planning on Wix.